You were tired. Not sleepy tired. Soul tired. Every morning felt like punishment. Then I found 5 habits. By day 30, I didn't recognize myself. What if the reason your life isn't changing is not your ambition, not your talent, but 5 simple things you do before 9 a.m.? Stay until the end, because habit number 5 is the one nobody talks about, and it's the one that holds all the others together. I used to scroll until 2 a.m. Wake up at 10. Skip the gym. Tell myself tomorrow would be different. It never was. I wasn't lazy. I was stuck in a loop I didn't know how to break. My days blurred into each other. Nothing felt meaningful. I was achieving nothing and numbing everything. The worst part? I knew what I was supposed to do. I just couldn't make myself do it. 1. Wake up early. Researchers call the early morning hours the golden window, when cortisol peaks naturally and the mind is sharpest. People who own their mornings consistently report higher focus, lower anxiety, and more daily achievement. The alarm isn't the enemy. Hitting snooze is. 1 hour of silence before the world wakes up is worth 3 hours after it does. 2. Being grateful. Gratitude isn't soft. It's neurological. Studies show that a daily gratitude practice rewires the brain's reward system, training it to scan for the positive instead of the threat. Those who practice it consistently report a measurable drop in stress within 2 weeks. 3 things. Every morning, it changes what you see. Before I get to habit number 4, I need to tell you what happened on day 14, because that's the day I almost quit everything. And what stopped me changes the point of this entire video. 3. Reading books. The average CEO reads 52 books a year. Not because they have time, because they make time. Reading builds the mental models that determine the quality of every decision you make. 10 pages a day. That's 10 books a year of knowledge compounding in your head. 4. Exercising regularly. Movement is medicine. 30 minutes of exercise floods the brain with BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, literally growing new neural connections. Consistent movers report better sleep, sharper focus, and significantly lower rates of depression. You don't exercise to look better. You exercise to think better. 5. 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Here it is, the habit nobody respects, and the one that makes all 4 others work. Sleep is when the body consolidates memory, regulates hormones, and repairs muscle. Without it, waking up early is torture. Gratitude feels forced. Reading doesn't stick. Exercise breaks the body down instead of building it up. You cannot out-discipline a sleep deficit. The most productive humans on the planet treat sleep like a non-negotiable meeting, because it is. Remember that person at the start of this video? Tired. Soul tired. Waking up to a life that felt like it belonged to someone else. That was me 30 days ago. None of this was magic. None of this was easy. But every single morning I chose these 5 habits. I chose myself. You don't need a new life. You need a new morning. Start tomorrow.